Hey all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'll be making a TV stand, and also in the video I'm going to be showing you the other items that I did make for my client, because for this client I did make a couple of things for her, but in the final reveal I'm going to be showing you the items that I've already done for her. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that we can fully understand all the steps and processes, materials and tools that I've used in this video. So here, as you can see, these are the boards that I'm going to be using to make the TV stand. Yeah, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel, All Things With Us. We do a lot of DIY videos, transformation videos in general. So if this is the kind of content that you like, visit our channel and watch more of our content, because we have a variety of videos in our channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also like it, comment on our videos and share with your friends and family. So here I'm just going to continue making this TV stand. As you can see, I've already joined all the pieces together, and the holes that I'm showing you, or the screw heads that I'm showing you, I'm going to be covering them using wood filler, and then I'm going to be doing sanding on it before starting to apply paint on it. Normally for the paint, I usually use two kinds of paints. One is the undercoat, which is water based if you want to try making something like this, and then the final paint is an acrylic base paint that is for the final touches. And then here I'm just making the door for this TV stand, and I'm just making this TV stand as requested. I normally make these items as requested or as ordered by my client. So If you see a design that I'm working on, just know that is the request that I got from a client specifically, so that you can't come in the comment section maybe commenting or asking why I didn't do this, why I didn't do that. I normally just make as ordered, so that is what I'm going to be doing. And if you have any other question, just comment down below and I will get back to you. If you have watched this video till this point, if you haven't liked it, kindly take your time, like it, and comment on it, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. So now this is the final reveal, and here as you can see I did make my client this round mirror here that you see. It's 70 centimeters in diameter, and also I did make her the console. If you want to see how I make these two items, that is the console tables and the round mirrors, you can just visit our channel and watch videos on how I do make these round mirrors and also the console table. And this is just a nice setup that I did there. And also I did arrange this dining table for her because she wanted the house to be a bit arranged. So I did arrange the dining table. As you can see, make sure you tell me what you think about this one in the comments section. And also she had an old TV stand that she was using, and this is it. I did use the TV stand as a corner stand. As you can see, it really did work out. I just flipped it so that it can stand there. So later on she's going to be putting some items in it. And this is the TV stand that I did make. You can see how beautiful it is. And I did a little setup, as you can see, and did some wiring for her. And that how it turned out. So I'm just going to be giving you a full sitting room, dining room, and entryway house tour for this one. And make sure you tell me in the comment section what you think about some of the decoration, DIYs, and arrangement that I did in this house. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and let me see you in the next one.